Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix clipping in BandLab so your vocals and instruments sound clean and balanced. First of all, identify the clipping. Clipping happens when your audio levels are too high. Open your projects and look at the track meters. If they turn red and that track is clipping, open your projects or you can create a new projects and here look for the track. If they turn red, the track is clipping. Step 2 is lower track volume. Select the clipping track, then reduce the volume slider until the red warning disappears. Make sure all tracks are balanced so nothing peaks. Step 3 is use the compressor/limiter. Add a compressor/limiter from the FX menu. Select the clip and you go to the FX menu. Here you need to add the compressors that will reduce peaks and limiters, prevent sudden spikes, keeping your audio clean. Step 4 is to avoid recording problems. If you are recording vocals or instrument, lower your input volume or move the mic slightly further from the source to prevent clipping during recording. And that's it. With volume adjustment and compression, your track in BandLab will be free of clipping. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.